today I'm going to make slime, and I need a stick for mixing. Obviously you don't have to put in food coloring if you don't want, but I like to. So I'm gonna make slime with Tide. Since I'm out of white glue, I'm going to use clear. But this isn't any slime. This slime will be special. So, what's special about it is I'm gonna make 2 slimes. I know what you're thinking, 2 slimes isn't special, but I'm gonna mix them to make galaxy slime. So, I don't actually have purple, because purple food coloring doesn't exist. So, I'll put some drops of blue. I'm starting with blue. And for purple, I'm gonna do this and this. So, I'll mix it up. I need a dark blue, so put in the activator. Okay, still watery. I need a big dose of activator to tide it over for a while. One more dose should do it. That was a little more than I intended. Okay. So now I'm gonna knead it and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and I have finished with my slime. It's stiff. My slime seems to always come out stiff now. But now I'm gonna make the purple one off camera. Or no, on camera, but in time lapse. So this video isn't like a half an hour long. Be back soon. Okay, so we're back now. This slime, I know it came out too light. It's kind of sticky, and this one came out way too stiff. So I'm gonna mix them because this purple one is dark, so I'm hoping that it darkens the blue one more. Although the thing is, the purple one isn't mixed all the way through. The purple one is also pretty sticky. I apologize, I didn't mix it thoroughly. So, this is gonna come out pretty nicely. I'm almost out of containers and I'm gonna have some people over soon. So I probably won't be filming too many videos until I get more containers. But it's okay. Oh, I realized something. This is coming out really purple. I will put more blue in. Oops. Oh, that's pretty. I accidentally got some food coloring. No worries. I suppose it can ruin the color of my slime though. It's okay. So, it's pretty much mixed. Yeah, so my slime is mixed and I got an idea. So I have this glitter glue. It's not good for making slime at all. But trust me on this, it is good for making it glittery. So I'm not gonna add too much. But since it's glittery, it'll be good for my galaxy slime, like the glitter as stars. That might be a little too much. So my galaxy slime will be really nice. It makes slime really. It actually can make slime better, but when you try to make slime it's not slime. I tried it and I'm planning on throwing it out. Because no matter how much activator you use, it's just little chunks floating in activator. So yeah, I tried really hard, but I couldn't. Okay, here we go. Now that's galaxy slime. So yeah, you don't have to add glitter to your galaxy slime. I like to personally, but you don't have to. So, that wraps up our video. On how to make galaxy slime. Comment whatever you want me to do a video on, and I'll do it. I do have cats too, so if you want, I can make a video on my cats. So, thank you for watching. Remember, comment whatever you want me to make a video on. Thanks for watching. Bye.